morning, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste. Okay, so let's take Suprabhat. Let's take attendance and move on to our today's topic. So quickly we will do it. So turn on your cams so that I can take attendance.
No video, sir. Network issue, sir. Network issue.
सर बहुत
Network
बारिश
issues.
हो रही है इंटरनेट नहीं चल
Net, sir. Net.
Okay. Keep quiet.
Sir, net. No video, sir.
Okay. I got it. I will see to that. Keep quiet. Okay, who is this? Please mute your microphone. Hello, mute your microphone. Okay, nice. Attendance is done. So let's move on to the topic. So the topic is gas sensors, ZNO. All of you, please mute your microphone. Okay. So I don't want any disturbances. So gas sensors. Basically, we will study about ZNO, SNO2 core shell nanowires. So let's move on to the main idea of what we will study in this. That is high surface area. So the study is about all the studies. Basically, we focus on creating a high surface area so that we can. Okay. Please stop, guys. I have made this presentation for you all by so much efforts and you are ruining it. Okay, please stop,
डिसेबल
guys.
कर दीजिए इन्हें.
OP, bhai. OP.
Okay, mute yourself, guys. Please stop this. This is very important topic and if I will not teach you all, you can't get in any books. Guys, please stop it. I am just disabling everything. So I've given you permission and you are all taking it as for granted. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So basically the nanostructures, I guess you all have studied it in previous semester, like some basic things. So can anyone tell, like okay, Anjali, tell me what is nanostructures include?
Yes, sir. So it includes thin films, nanoplates, nanowires, nanospheres, nanorods, nanotubes, nanofibers, nanoneedles, and
DJ Sandeep.
Hey, who is this? Why are you all disturbing the class? Hello, mute your mic.
जोर से बोलो.
You don't know, I will take strict
जय माता
action.
दी.
प्यारे बोलो.
Who is this Jindagi Le Doobi? First of all, you have joined with anonymous names and you are disturbing the class. At least let the students study. Stop spamming the chat section. It's very disturbing. I'm getting disturbed. You see, strict action will be taken against all of you. Okay, let's ignore them. Okay, we have students.
You know,
Okay, who was this?
sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, I actually have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, sir, can I ask that?
Arey, why not? Yes, ask.
Arey, sir, why is Binod so OP? Every
bolo.
time I
Because
Every
Vinod
time
is
I-
OP.
Wait.
কি বলছো বুঝতে
Please
পারছি
mute
না.
or don't ask this nonsense questions to me in this between of this so important class. Okay, who is this? Please mute
এখানে
your
এসে
microphone
বলো
and talk.
বুঝতে পারছি না কি বলছো. হ্যাঁ আমার ক্লাস চলছে আরো 1 hour চলবে.
Okay, who is this? Please mute.
আমি
Hello.
পরে লাঞ্চ করব আরো 1 hour ক্লাস চলবে আমার.
Why is the class so disturbing? I am not able to concentrate. This topic is so important to teach and what can I do? Okay, I think everyone is quiet now. Okay, so we will move on to another topic. Okay, guys, stop spamming the chat section, please. It's very disturbing. I am not able to concentrate. Okay, so deposition techniques. The chemical vapor deposition, radio
Sir,
frequency.
actually I asked you a question. I had a doubt.
You see, your question was nonsense. If you first joined with some anonymous name and then you are asking silly questions.
Sir, same doubt, sir.
This is
Same
what
doubt.
this is what why you are here. I mean, you are grown enough. You are mature. Please listen to the class. It is very important for your curriculum. Otherwise, you all will
Sir,
get
but
backlogs.
Binod OP, sir.
Who is this Binod? I don't know, but please stop. Otherwise, I will kick you out of the class. Okay, again. Please mute your microphone and then do all the things, all the stuff you are doing at your home. Let me concentrate. There are students who want to study. Let them study. Okay, so
Sir.
demolish. Okay, who is this
Sir.
again?
So remove them from the meeting.
Okay, I am muting them all from the meeting. Okay, all the anonymous names I have muted you. Now you can say anything. Okay, rest of you, please concentrate. It's an important topic. Okay, so basically the main deposition technique that we focus on is atomic layer deposition. So we will study for that. ALD. It is used because it works on the principle of spraying gas particles. So gas particles are very
Sir, time हो गया, sir.
Sir, छुट्टी.
सर छुट्टी सुबह से क्लास कर रहे हैं सर
छुट्टी सर, छुट्टी सर. भूख लगा सर बहुत.
wait, quiet all of you. It's not even
Sir, lunch
15
करना
minutes. I
है.
have started the class and you
Sir,
what
15 minutes
lunch
equals to
करना
30
है?
minutes, sir. 30 minutes equals to 45 minutes, sir.
वही तो सर भूख लग रहा है.
Wait, you,
Sir, attending classes from 8 o'clock in the morning, sir. Don't do this.
वही सर
so
ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया
you,
सुबह से.
you have
I'm asked
you have been
there are
provided your
asked-
timetable. You need to adjust according to that. There are students in the classes who want to study. Let them study.
Sir, छुट्टी,
I am
sir,
also
sir,
a
sir.
human being. I am also taking
Sir,
class
सर
from
आप भी
8
तो एडजस्ट
8
कीजिए.
a.m.
सर आप भी लंच
At
करने
least-
चले जाइए खत्म
At
करके.
least respect my efforts. Okay.
Sir, please, sir. छुट्टी, sir.
Please, sir, please.
I am not
Sir,
teaching
हाथ
this
जोड़.
class. No, I am not teaching this class. Go find it in your book. You will find nothing. Okay. And after getting backlog, don't come to me and cry.
OP, sir, OP. OP.
I'm
Sir, sorry,
ending this
sir.
meeting.
Sir, sorry, sir.
No. You have irritated me a lot. Now go get
Sir, sorry,
knowledge
sir.
from wherever you want. You won't get anything. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
So you all have
So-
disappointed
sorry,
me. I put so much effort in creating everything for a basic level so you can understand. And there are students who want to concentrate, but you are all entering first of all with anonymous name and then creating so much mess. What do you
Sir,
think
last
I am
one,
sitting? I am doing sitting here.
Last one, sir.
You are
अरे
mature
सर बुक
enough.
से
You are
पढ़
20.
लेंगे सर.
If you
बुक से
read
पढ़
it,
लेंगे सर.
okay. I give you 1 week time. You read from book and you answer my question. If you answer my question, I will provide you how CGPA you must.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
You
Okay,
you can't.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, छुट्टी, sir.
You are doing this again. At least. You see, there are students which are trying to study. Let them consider. You are mature enough. You are 20 years old.
Sir,
Please.
18, sir. For exact.
No, you are not 18. I know that.
Sir, can I leave the meeting, sir? Can I leave the meeting, sir?
What else you can do? You are not here
Sir.
to study. Only create mess. Joining with anonymous names. Can't do anything. Don't join the class again with anonymous name. I will not allow you. I will not admit you.
OP, sir, OP, sir. Sir,
I am
you
not. I
enter.
am not teaching the class. This class again.
While online classes might have facilitated the way of teaching amid the pandemic, teachers have expressed their concern over the lack of decorum that used to prevail in the normal classrooms. Students switch off their videos, make strange noise, play pranks, and keep on sending messages in the chat room while online lectures. It's been a common practice for students nowadays to join the Google Meet or Zoom classes, show up once, and then disappear. Children loiter around the house, munching snacks, chatting, playing games, while the teacher is busy delivering the lecture. But nowadays, teachers have started adopting several techniques to mind the classes from their end.
Teachers are facing a tough time making students sit back and be attentive, as some of the students are misusing the technology. A few days ago, we heard a news about an aged teacher who was trying to teach his students online, but the students were making fun of it, though everything was new to him and he was trying his best. And after a while, he broke down into tears for that weird behavior of the students. That's not only the case with him. Every day we come across such situations nowadays. So, to sum up, I only want to say please respect your teachers because this e teaching is also new for them, and despite of bullying them, we should appreciate their efforts.
Learning is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding behavior and skills, virtues and values. COVID-19 is a pandemic that has turned the world upside down. Virtual learning is a good substitute to institutional learning that will help students to get back on track. Many students are able to learn faster through various channels of video conferences, chats, sitting comfortably at home. Though not entirely as a cheese slice, yet the faculties are trying their best to make visual classes more fun and retaining. Respecting the efforts of both the sides, we should stand together in these tough times and be a part of this incredible effort that makes learning so easy and accessible.
शिक्षक होता सबसे महान जो देता है सबको ज्ञान। आओ इस शिक्षक दिवस पर करें अपने शिक्षक को प्रणाम। The teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of the students. Right from kindergarten to university level, they are the one who impart knowledge and teach us about everything. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and imbibe in our moral values. Thus, teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. There are only a few people in our lives that impact the world. And yes, teachers are definitely one of them. We are very grateful for the work teachers do for us, and therefore we should respect them at any circumstances.
They say that experience is the best teacher ever. But for us, having you all as our teacher is the best experience ever. 4 months of quarantine, but still we students are consistency in our classes. Only possible because of our teachers' tireless effort. So that we can step ahead to fulfill our dreams. You made us what we are today. Thank you for being there and inspiring us when we needed it. Here's wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day on behalf of our NSS Project Lakshya. Thank you.